Hey everyone, so we're going to do a quick unboxing here of the brand new, just came out today on May 14th, the Google Pixel 8a. This one is the Bay color. It looks really sweet. I know the 8, I think the 8 Pros have this same color as well. Let's do a quick unboxing here. Yeah, that's a beautiful color. We'll come right back to that in just a sec. So you can just get USB-C to USB-C cable. You get a USB-C to USB-A adapter. You get our SIM card ejector and a little bit of paperwork in there as well. Of course, nothing too exciting. Here in the U.S., these are $500. So yeah, that is a nice, beautiful blue. It's a cool looking bag too. It's a little bit almost sparkly, almost. Even the visor is blue. Around the edges is also blue. Supports power button, volume rocker, speakers. I think only one of these is probably actual speaker. USB-C, SIM card, mic. Of course, you have your visor with the camera and the flash, and of course, front-facing camera there. This does have some bezels on it. Then a quick side-by-side, the 8A and the 8. So this is a lot more like glossy on the 8. This is not, so this fingerprint is probably not going to show up as much. This thing is a fingerprint magnet. Otherwise, they look very, very similar. The 8A is a tiny bit bigger, as you can see there. It might also be a tiny bit, it's also a tiny bit wider. I believe that is due to the bezels. Hopefully, you probably can't see it in the video too well. But those bezels are a little bit bigger than what is on the 8. Stay tuned. I will be doing a whole bunch of videos on this, including an actual comparison between these two phones. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Good.